really one of our largest criteria at Winthrop is to focus on, obviously AI is an incredible tool, and an incredible tool for stock growth as well. We're looking for specifically names that use AI to enhance their already existing business lines that have proven profitability and a proven track record. So we're not looking for a particular name that's going to just throw out Gen AI as a last ditch effort to try to have some stock growth. So with that in mind, I think we look to Apple, whose announcement last week with the new iOS update and its partnership with OpenAI really does help double down on some of the tech, the already existing pieces that they have with Siri and other lines. And then we also look at Microsoft, right? The Copilot tool, we've played around with it a little bit, seen it a bit. It's very impressive, and I think it really does help out with the entire Office suite. So once again, we're looking for companies. If we're going to ride this AI wave, we're looking for companies that are using it to enhance what they already have.
Yeah, look, it's interesting that you say that, because in terms of this market leadership right now, we had Dan Ives on our program calling for, in a year's time, these three looking at $4 trillion market caps. I mean, do you suggest that could be the case? And I mean, could Apple end up taking the market cap crown if it does sort of deliver and we start to see that reflected in the revenue, the numbers on its AI promises?
Yeah, I think one of the hardest parts that Apple and Microsoft both face as these behemoth mega cap tech companies is just continual growth and kind of delivering on those revenue growths. I mean, it's just hard to take up more market share when you already own the market, right? So I have a little bit of pause with the 4 trillion number. I know that sometimes, these big, bold benchmark numbers sometimes don't really mean anything, and you put a little psychological bias against it. But I do think it's possible to see growth in those names. I don't know if we can get to 4 trillion, but I think it's possible.